Welcome everyone to a new perspective on meal preparation. Today's focus is vegetarian meal prep ideas for busy people on the go. Balancing a busy schedule with a nutritious vegetarian diet can be challenging, but a little planning and preparation can make it manageable. Overcoming these challenges is easier than you think. Let's dive into the benefits of meal prepping. Meal prepping is not just about saving time, it's also about making healthier choices and saving money. Imagine having the power to control your diet, keeping it balanced and consistent. Plus, you'll be surprised at the dollars you'll save by avoiding last-minute takeouts. Now that we've covered the benefits, let's move on to some quick and easy breakfast ideas. Mornings can be hectic, but with these vegetarian breakfast ideas, you can start your day right. Consider overnight oats, packed with fiber and protein, or smoothie packs, brimming with fresh fruits. And don't forget breakfast burritos, a hearty and satisfying option. With these breakfast ideas in your arsenal, let's move on to portable lunches. Lunch doesn't have to be a hassle. These vegetarian options are easy to carry and require minimal preparation. Imagine the crunch of fresh salad jars, the satisfying bite of wholesome wraps, or the hearty taste of quinoa bowls. Having covered lunch, let's explore some dinner solutions. After a long day, the last thing you want to do is spend hours in the kitchen. Here's how you can avoid that. Consider batch cooking simple, nutritious vegetarian dinners like one-pot pasta, stir-fries, or sheet pan meals. Lastly, let's not forget about snacks. Snacks are crucial to keep your energy levels up throughout the day. Let's look at some healthy vegetarian options. Consider packing bite-sized veggies, mixed nuts, or whole grain crackers. These will keep you satisfied and nourished during your busy day. To wrap things up, let's talk about storage, tools, and planning. Proper storage, the right tools, and efficient planning can make your meal prep journey a breeze. Keeping meals fresh calls for airtight containers and labels. Essential tools like food processors can streamline your prep. A weekly meal plan saves time and reduces waste. Remember, with proper meal prep, even the busiest person can enjoy nutritious vegetarian meals on the go.